we are back at the house today. There's only a couple things I want to do today. I want to get into the dishwasher like cleaning trap. I think I showed you guys this when we moved into the apartment last time. There's a TikToker that I follow. I'll put his handle in the description box so you guys can follow him, because he has so many insightful things that we should all be cleaning like on a regular basis. And one of those things is like the food trap in the dishwasher, as well as the trap inside of your like laundry machine unit. It's one thing for like the filth and dirt to be yours as a renter. It's different when the filth and dirt is somebody else's. So obviously can't have that. So today I'm going to get into those and hopefully clean all of those out. I cleaned out the dishwasher and that went really well. We've moved on to trying to set up our Wi-Fi. I decided that I would try to do this myself, and I'm regretting that decision because now we can't figure it out. So I've been on hold for like 20 minutes and we're just gonna be here on hold for the foreseeable future. Vibes are high though. Every time I've moved, I always have Wi-Fi problems. Like setting up the Wi-Fi is always difficult no matter where I go. For whatever reason, it seems like my new account isn't fully set up, so a technician's coming. Best news though, they're able to come like now. Like he's already on his way. Jackson ended up leaving with the girls, and he's gonna drop the girls off at the house because we're having some people come help us move everything from our storage unit into our garage today. I was supposed to go and help with that, but have to stay for the internet service guy to come. Wasn't ideal, but that's fine. That's fine. We're gonna figure it out. It's gonna be great. And while we wait for the internet guy, let's do a little unboxing. I went to the bathroom the other day and realized there are literally no toilet paper holders. So I ordered some and they literally came like the next morning so fast. So we're gonna assemble some. That was so easy. Boom, done. Every time I do a tiny project like this, not a big one, a tiny one, I feel utterly invincible. I just had one of those mornings where you have to wake up early and it's like go, 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 go. I had to be on all morning. I was starving when I came home and I just annihilated lunch. For days like these, and honestly just during this entire move in general, Factor is such a godsend. You guys know me so well, probably better than I know myself. I try so hard to live a healthy, active lifestyle, and when life gets busy like this, it's so tempting and so easy to get some fast food, to do a little drive-through situation, to order takeout, and I cannot be more grateful in those moments for Factor, for keeping me on track, for being convenient, for being pre-made and not frozen, for being healthy, that I can still stay consistent in staying fit and staying healthy. They also are doubling the size of their menu, which is just wild because it was already big to begin with, giving us 80 plus weekly menus on rotation to choose from. The thing I love the most about Factor is you can be very specific about what it is that you are trying to get. Whatever your goal is. Me specifically, I am constantly trying to get more protein into my body, and I love that I can customize my plan with Factor to focus on protein. But if your goal is to be in a calorie deficit, then you can customize your plan so that you are in a calorie deficit. If you don't care about calories and you don't care about protein and you just want a good, yummy meal, then you can do a chef's choice option that just gives you good, yummy, delicious meals. So again, whatever it is you're looking for, Factor has your back. They also have amazing breakfast smoothies that Jackson and I love to grab on the go when we're running out the door or running to a workout class, and they have amazing snack options as well. So head to factor75.com or click the link below and use code AshleyNichole FB50, and that's Nicole with an H, to get 50% off plus free breakfast for a whole year. That's code AshleyNichole FB50 at factor75.com for 50% off plus a year of free breakfast, guys. This is for new customers only, so click the link below and get started. I was just opening some PR packages and I wanted to show you guys something I got. I already put it on. I literally couldn't even wait. I got a new Kindle cover for my Kindle. I have very much been in my reading season. I got this Kindle case from Amazon when I got my Kindle and it was great. However, this just kind of kept falling, and it kind of like hurt my pinky to hold it. It wasn't like the most ergonomically comfortable for my fingers, and I am so excited for this case. This one was like super affordable. It's actually on TikTok Shop. If I can get the link, I will put it on here. So at the very least, I will link that TikTok down below. I want to say this was like $20 or $30. The website had a ton of different prints and designs to choose from. This checker print came in so many different colors. It's magnetic, so the back like sticks to the back here so it doesn't fall open. It has a little kickstand here so you can like stand it up on a table. It has this little sleeve here. I don't know what you would want to put in there, but it's a little pocket for whatever you would want to put in there. But here's the best part. It has this little rubber band here so you can stick your hand in there and be able to comfortably read, which is going to make the biggest difference, because for the other one I had to like hold it like this and rest it on my pinky, and it's such a first world problem, but I'm so excited for this. I can't even begin to explain how excited I am for this. So I'm going to, again, at the very least, have the TikTok linked below. On that note, I thought I'd catch you guys up on my reading. I finished both books. The Favorites and Beautiful Ugly. Beautiful Ugly was incredible, literally incredible. It was a mystery and it was suspenseful. There was so much to figure out. You weren't quite sure what was going on. I listened to it on Audible, and I highly recommend that you listen to it on Audible. There's Scottish accents and they do it so well. They do a little bit of sound effects, not too much to the point where you're like distracted and annoyed, but just enough. And it really helps kind of like immerse you into the story. And I loved it. I literally finished it in 2 days. Total 5 stars. Would read again, would totally recommend. The Favorites, I didn't personally love it. It wasn't my cup of tea. It's very much giving a Hallmark movie. And I don't really love Hallmark movies. If you love a Hallmark movie, you will love The Favorites. It was really good, but it wasn't my cup of tea. So I had to see it through, but I personally didn't enjoy it myself. I have to sit and figure out what I'm going to be reading next. Oh, just kidding. Just kidding. I already know what I'm listening to. I feel so silly. I completely forgot that I mentally made note of what I was going to be reading and listening to next. And I didn't actually like make those purchases. So I literally stopped recording, made the purchases, and I'm ready to go now. So drum roll please. For Audible, I follow this girl on TikTok. She's an avid reader. She had nothing but great things to say about this. And I loved listening to the suspense novel so much that I'm going to copy paste do the same thing again. We are going to listen to another suspense book, and this is called The Frozen River by Ariel Lahan. Here's what it looks like. The girl said she loved it so much. It was one of her favorites. She basically gave it like 5 stars, and I trust her recommendations. So I'm so excited to read this or listen to it. Then for my actual Kindle book, I'm going to be reading The Women by Kristen Hahn. I sobbed reading The Nightingale, and I knew from then on that I was going to read more of her books. I think in my head, I was like, I need a break because that one wrecked me so deeply. This has popped up on my For You page countless times, and I've just been like, I will. And then as I was reading The Favorites, which I did not like, it popped up on my For You page again, and I was like, yep, can't wait to dive into this. Ooh, I can't wait to dive into this. It's our first Lowe's trip of probably many. Realistically,
we can get Halloween stuff right now only if we get that giant.
I don't know how level this is, but we need a ladder. This is pretty much just for getting up to the... Something I was very excited to do was to clean up this hose situation. It's just like everywhere. There's even one over there. I just saw it. The grass is literally growing around and over this hose, and I got a box for it. We're gonna see if this all fits in here. There is a giant grapefruit tree with delicious grapefruits. I've already had one, can attest, they're great. But there's a bunch of dead grapefruits on the ground. So I'm gonna pick those up now. When you think of like picking up fallen fruit, it sounds so like, oh, cute, like so whimsical, so cutesy. No, these were like rotten, disgusting. But we picked a few grapefruits that are ready to go. And calling it quits for the day. I have to be out of the apartment right now because our landlord slash like property manager has some possible tenants touring our apartment. I think right now. I don't think I had to vacate, but I like prefer to vacate. I'm not feeling talkative. I dropped the girls off at Alicia's house and I have like a load of things to bring to the house. And I also have to like go to Lowe's and get boxes. And I had a bunch of computer work to do today and at some point like forgot to eat lunch, which is so not like me. We have zero food in the house because in my head I'm like, I don't want to buy groceries and have to like haul it all over here. I went to my favorite smoothie place twice today for breakfast and for lunch, and they laughed at me when I came back in for my tuna wrap. If you're in the valley or just like the LA area in general and find yourself in the valley, Royalty Juice Bar is incredible and it's so fresh and it's so healthy and it's so light, and I cannot recommend them enough. It's worth the drive. It is an eat in your car kind of day today. I got back from New York last night. Jackson and I move into the new house on Saturday. Today is Thursday. We have not packed a single thing, but we are taking it one step at a time. I have the movers scheduled for Saturday, so we just need to like pack up our things. They're gonna take care of the furniture. It's a lot, it's not the furniture, which is just a huge blessing. But right now, let's unload the car. Just got to Lowe's. There are a handful of things I need to get. I need to get boxes, I need to get masking tape, I need to get like bubble wrap, like a plug outlet thing because we're missing one. I have a list. So we're going to Lowe's. Not do it in one trip. We got blue paint from the box all over my hokas. At least it matches my outfit. If I could recommend you guys buy anything, it's this bag. I got this bag when we first moved to this apartment. Jackson got it for me. I use it on a daily basis. I want to say it's like $100, maybe less, maybe like $70. It's worth every penny. You don't even have to live in an apartment complex. Just going back and forth running errands, if you have kids even, you need this. This holds everything. It's on wheels. I cannot recommend this enough. I love it so much. I use it all the time. Not to get sappy, but this was mine and Jackson's first place together, and we're officially gonna start tearing it apart. So let's do one last little apartment tour, shall we? I loved this place so much. It really was the perfect place for me and Jackson to experience like living together for the first time. We have so many memories that we shared and created here. This living room, this couch, so many good times here, so many times with friends and family here, cooking so many good homemade meals here. I always thought the setup of this apartment was very like home-like, with the long hallway and all of the rooms situated the way that they are. And look at little Miss Thing over here. On her bed where she belongs. This apartment was, oh my goodness, belly rubs? Okay. This apartment was
such a big jump in my relationship, and I am so grateful to it. It holds a very special chapter in my life. Now let's tear it apart.